Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you are doing great today. In this video, we are going to talk about a very interesting and relatable topic: what you do in your free time. Free time is a wonderful gift that everyone gets, whether it's a few minutes during the day, a long weekend, or a holiday. How we use this time can shape our personality, skills, mental health, and happiness. Today, I will share why free time is important, how to spend it productively, different activities you can do, and personal experiences that show the value of free time. Free time is not just about doing nothing. It is about choosing activities that relax you, inspire you, or help you grow. In our busy lives, we often forget to value these moments. Instead, we scroll mindlessly on our phones or binge watch videos. While relaxing is important, using free time wisely can improve your life in ways you might not even notice. Part 1. Importance of free time. Free time is important for several reasons. First, it reduces stress. Life can be hectic with studies, work, or responsibilities. Free time allows your mind and body to rest. Second, it boosts creativity. When your brain is relaxed, it comes up with new ideas and solutions to problems. Third, free time improves relationships. Spending time with family and friends strengthens bonds. Fourth, it enhances learning. You can pick up a new skill, hobby, or knowledge in your free time. Lastly, it builds self-awareness. Reflection, journaling, or simply thinking about your goals helps you understand yourself better. Part 2. Productive ways to spend free time. A productive free time is about balance. It's not only working or studying. It's about doing things that bring joy, knowledge, and growth. Here are some ways. Reading books. Reading expands your vocabulary, improves thinking skills, and takes you to new worlds. You can read novels, biographies, self-help books, or even poetry. Learning new skills. Free time is perfect for learning something new. It could be learning a new language, playing an instrument, cooking, or coding. These skills can benefit you personally and professionally. Exercising. Physical activity is essential for health. Walking, running, yoga, or sports can improve your stamina, mood, and energy. Creative activities. Painting, writing, photography, or music can express emotions and unlock creativity. Creative hobbies are therapeutic and fulfilling. Meditation and reflection. Spending quiet time meditating or reflecting on your goals helps reduce stress and increase mental clarity. Helping others. Volunteering or helping family and friends gives satisfaction and purpose. It teaches empathy and social skills. Part 3. Fun activities to relax. Sometimes, free time is meant to relax and enjoy yourself. Here are some activities. Watching movies or series. Entertainment helps you relax and temporarily escape stress. Choose content that inspires or entertains. Listening to music or podcasts. Music uplifts your mood, while podcasts can be informative and entertaining. Traveling or exploring. Visiting new places, even locally, refreshes your mind and expands your perspective. Gaming. Video games or board games can be fun and social. They also improve problem solving and hand-eye coordination. Spending time with family and friends. Simple conversations, outings, or activities strengthen emotional bonds. Part 4. Personal story. Let me share my own experiences. On weekends, I like to read novels and write my thoughts in a journal. This relaxes my mind and improves my writing skills. Sometimes I go for walks in the park. The fresh air and calm environment recharge my energy. I also spend free time learning new things online, like digital marketing and English skills. Over time, these small efforts helped me grow personally and professionally. Another time, I decided to spend my free time volunteering at a local community center. I helped organize events and teach kids basic English. That experience taught me patience, empathy, and the joy of giving. Free time, when used meaningfully, becomes a powerful tool for growth and happiness. Part 5. Free time for self-improvement. Free time can be used to improve yourself in many ways. Skill development. Learning skills like coding, writing, or drawing makes you more confident. Mental fitness. Solving puzzles, reading, or learning critical thinking strengthens the brain. Emotional health. Journaling, meditation, or expressing emotions creatively improves emotional stability. Physical health. Exercise, yoga, or sports ensures long-term health and energy. Career growth. Learning industry-specific skills or practicing hobbies can become career opportunities in the future. Part 6. Tips to use free time wisely. Plan your free time. Even free time can be structured. Make a list of activities and goals. Balance work and relaxation. Don't overschedule. Leave room for fun and relaxation. Limit distractions. Avoid wasting hours mindlessly on social media. Try new things. Experiment with hobbies or skills you haven't explored before. Reflect on your goals. Use free time to evaluate your progress in studies, work, and personal growth. Part 7. Free time and mental health. Using free time wisely significantly impacts mental health. Stress, anxiety, and burnout often come from constant work without breaks. Free time allows your brain to relax and rejuvenate. Engaging in hobbies or creative activities releases endorphins, improving mood. Social interactions and physical activity during free time also reduce depression and anxiety. Free time is not a luxury. It is essential for mental and emotional well-being. Part 8. Activities for different types of people. For introverts, reading, writing, meditation, or creative hobbies are ideal. For extroverts, social activities, group sports, volunteering, or traveling. For students, studying creatively, learning new skills, or engaging in educational games. For professionals, networking, skill development, exercise, and relaxation. Everyone can find meaningful ways to use free time based on personality, interests, and goals. Part 9. Long-term benefits. Using free time productively leads to long-term benefits. Skill mastery. Skills learned during free time can become hobbies or careers. Better health. Regular exercise and relaxation improve physical and mental health. Stronger relationships. Spending quality time with loved ones builds bonds. Increase creativity. Creative hobbies spark new ideas and solutions. Greater happiness. Free time allows enjoyment, self-expression, and reflection, leading to a more fulfilled life. Part 10. Combining relaxation and productivity. The secret to using free time effectively is balance. You can relax while still improving yourself. For example, listen to educational podcasts while walking, Practice photography while exploring new places. Write a journal while reflecting on your personal growth. Cook new recipes for fun and learn life skills. Free time doesn't have to be just leisure or work. It can be a mix that makes life more enjoyable and meaningful. Part 11. Fun and creative ideas for free time. Start a blog or YouTube channel about your hobbies or experiences. Create DIY projects or crafts. Learn a new language or practice English speaking. Play board games or puzzles to challenge your brain. Watch documentaries or educational videos to gain knowledge. Take photography or nature walks to relax and explore creativity. Try meditation, yoga, or mindfulness exercises. Part 12. Final thoughts. Free time is a gift that everyone should value. It is an opportunity to grow, relax, and enjoy life. How you spend free time can shape your personality, skills, and happiness. Whether it's reading, exercising, learning, socializing, or exploring new hobbies, every minute spent meaningfully adds value to your life. Remember, free time is not about doing nothing. It's about choosing activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of free time and inspires you to use it wisely. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational, educational, and practical content. Make the most of your free time, and you will see amazing changes in your life.